Hey guys, I'm going to talk to you today a little bit about metabolism, how the body uses energy, and how it gets its energy. So, the body is a highly efficient machine that takes the calories that are provided by food that is eaten and turns it into energy. So, this energy is used to keep the body alive. Energy fuels the body's internal functions, its repairs, and it also helps to build and maintain cells and tissues. So, energy balance is the relationship between the energy that is taken in and the energy that is put out. So, when the amount of energy taken in through food is equivalent to the energy that is put out, the energy to live and exercise, the body is going to be considered in energy balance. An energy relationship that is in balance will allow for the body to maintain a steady weight. However, this is not the case for some individuals. When individuals eat a high caloric diet or make poor food choices, the energy balance can become out of order. For instance, an individual that eats a lot of takeout or junk food will have an energy balance that is considered to be out of order. This individual is taking in more calories than they are exerting, and thus they're going to gain weight. So, most of the energy that is used by the body each and every day is used by basal metabolism. Basal metabolism is the least amount of energy needed to maintain bodily functions while at rest. For instance, this energy is used to keep the body breathing and to keep the circulation of blood going. The energy that is used for these functions is called the basal metabolic rate, and I'll also refer to it in this video as BMR. And BMR can vary from person to person for a variety of reasons. So one thing that influences BMR is a person's body size. Larger people are going to have a higher BMR. Metabolic rate will increase as weight, height, and surface area increase. Body composition will also influence BMR. So fat tissue has a lower metabolic activity than that of muscle tissue. So as lean muscle mass increases, metabolic rate will increase as well. So this next one also goes in line with body composition, which is gender. So the BMR for women is about 5 to 10% lower than that of men. This is a result of women's body composition. Women generally possess more body fat and less lean muscle than that of men of a similar size. Additionally, age, a decrease in lean muscle mass during adulthood is going to result in a slow and steady decline of BMR. One way to avoid this is to do strength training. Hormonal levels will influence BMR as well. Thyroxine is a hormone that is released by the thyroid and it has an effect on BMR. So speaking of hormones, whether you feel hungry or not is based off of hormones. The two hormones that regulate our appetite are called leptin and ghrelin. Leptin is a hormone that is made by fat cells and it decreases our appetite. So in other words, it is our hunger suppressor. Ghrelin is a hormone that increases the appetite.